Each time a component is added to the canvas, a corresponding data item is automatically created in the Navigator. The first one is Object. This data item is created when adding a page, container, or array. Next is String. This data item is created when adding a text area, text field, date input, radio group, or dropdown. And finally, Boolean. This data item is created when a checkbox is added. The Navigator displays a structured list of data items, organized based on the Webflow's physical layout and logical hierarchy. Let's talk about physical layouts. When building a Webflow, the page, the container, and the array are object-type components that hold other components. A page can hold a container, a grid, an array, all other components. A container can hold an array, a grid, all other components. An array can hold a container, a grid, all other components. The exception is the grid, which is not an object-type component, but can also hold other components, a container, an array, all other components. Let's continue and explore an example of a logical hierarchy. A Webflow contains the following physical hierarchy. A page holds the container contains a grid, the grid holds 4 text field components. According to this physical structure, the logical hierarchy is built as follows. The page nests the container nests the grid nests 4 text field components. Now let's talk about naming convention. When components are first added to the canvas, their corresponding data items appear in the Navigator with a unique icon and a default name comprised of the component's name and a sequence number. You can edit a data item's name by changing a component's label property in the Design tab. Please note that editing a data item's name directly from the Navigator disconnects it from the label property. The following components do not have a label property, so the names of their data items can only be edited directly from the Navigator. Page, text, container, grid, array. 2 final notes. First, when you edit a data item's name, its path also updates. Second, when a data item name is comprised of 2 words or more, the first word will be written in all lowercase letters, while the next words will also be written in lowercase letters, excluding the first letter of each word. For example, first name or customer first name. Remember, building accurate physical layouts and logical hierarchies is very important when setting and implementing behavioral conditions for 2 main reasons. First, inheritance. When you apply a behavioral condition to an object-type component, all nested components will automatically inherit that condition. Second, the path of nested components must be accurate when used with behavioral conditions. That's it for now. See you in our next videos.